Hey everyone, Patrick here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you behind the scenes of my Neon Ronin project and share my go-to workflow in ComfyUI. Let's dive straight in. Here in ComfyUI, you can see my node setup. I'm currently using the Flux Dev Diffusion model for generating visuals. Let's quickly walk through these nodes. First, I've got a note node, which is handy for leaving myself reminders or explanations as I work. Next, we have the prompt nodes, where the magic happens. This is where I input the text prompts. I'm using the Flux Dev Diffusion model along with some custom nodes to generate the images. If needed, there's also an upscaling node at the end of the chain. Usually, I keep this bypassed while experimenting, and once I'm satisfied with the output, I activate it for higher resolution. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's dive straight into creating some amazing artwork. Today, I'll be creating some cover art for my project, Neon Ronin. I want a square format for Spotify, so let's quickly change the preset resolution to a 1:1 ratio. Alright, now let's dive straight into the prompt. I've prepared a descriptive text to really capture the vibe I'm aiming for. Here it is. A hyper-realistic, highly detailed action shot of a fierce young woman with fair skin and long, dark hair, wielding a glowing katana in the middle of a burning city. Her cybernetic armor is cracked and glowing with fiery energy. You get the idea. I'll set the batch size to 1 for now, just to see how this turns out. Let's hit generate and see what we get. It's pretty accurate to the prompt, but it's not quite what I had in mind. Let's tweak things a bit by adding a LoRA model to guide the style more closely. I'll keep the exact same prompt, hit generate, and let's see what we get this time. Oh yeah, this is way closer to what I envisioned. I'll save this image, bump the batch size up to 4, and do another run to explore more variations. These new ones look pretty cool, but as you can see, some of them have some oddities or artifacts, typical AI stuff. No worries though, we can always run it again. Let's go bigger this time. I'll increase the batch size to 8 and generate again. A few minutes later, now we've got several images I really like. I'll save these and move over to Photoshop to polish things up. Okay, so I ended up saving 3 images because honestly, I couldn't decide which one I liked the most. Let's quickly add the Neon Ronin logo on top here. Man, I'm really having a hard time picking one. You know what? Let's play around a bit in Photoshop and try some different layer styles. Maybe add a color overlay. No, actually, let's try a gradient overlay. Yeah, I like this. Alright, now I've added the title of the song, Cry of the Phoenix, with some nice outer glow, drop shadow, and a gradient overlay effect. Let's switch back and forth between the final options here. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you made it this far, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.